If you are in this video, chances are you are going to learn how to start an e-commerce agency. I set my goal for 2022 to launch my own e-commerce agency, and at the end of the November, I started my own e-commerce agency. So I'm going to share exact steps and exact stats which I have gained so far from my own e-commerce agency. If you are going to watch this video until end, chances are you will be able to launch your own e-commerce agency. The first and very basic steps is to register your own business in the state in whichever country you are working, so that I will be able to accept payments. I will be able to open a bank account. The very first step I have to take is to choose my business name. Try to choose the business name which is very compatible to your niche. So in my case, I choose StarWeb as my own e-commerce agency business name. I thought people will remember that name easily, and I am going in that niche which is related to e-commerce, which is related to web services, related to Amazon and Shopify. So that was my business name and that I choose. And I went with the domain starweb.co. Always try to prefer .com domain. So in my case, .com domain was not available, so I went with .co domain. It also depends upon your country, in which country you are going to provide services. If you are going to provide services in UK, you can choose domain name .co.uk. And same, if you are going to provide services in Australia, you can choose .com.au. So plenty of domain names always available. You can choose whatever domain name suits regarding to your country. But always try your all business name should be same on bank account, on your business name, on your business address, and on your website. But first, I check the domain name if that domain name is available on GoReady.com, on Name.com. There are plenty of websites. You can go over there and you can check them. If that business name is available, then go ahead with domain name first, and then your bank account same as it is your business name. Okay, now step two is now you can go to build your website and you can get your business email address. You can build your website same from where you have got your domain, and you can get your business email address from there as well. You can also get the hosting of Bluehost and then connect that website to your WordPress account. The very first thing comes in building your website is your hosting. Once you have got the hosting, the next step is to connect that domain to your hosting. When I got my business name, the next step for me was to establish a business website. For that, I have hired a designer who was working on the logo and who was also working on website design as well. If you have skills, you can do it by yourself. But in my case, I have had a designer to work on my website, to work on my website content, to make my website logo and each and everything. You can get your own business email from Gmail. Gmail has its own G Suite from where you can get business emails on your company name. Plenty of websites provide business emails. You can get your business emails from there. G Suite is one of them. G Suite is Gmail service, and you can get your company business email from there. If you are building your website, always try to add reviews, your team members, so anyone who is visiting your website may be able to see what services you are going to provide and who is working in your team. And if you have worked with some of the clients, always ask them to provide reviews on your website. You can hire a copywriter to write content for your website. Good content can help you to get more clients. Always make sure to add support page, about us page, and write about yourself, what you have achieved so far. So anyone who is visiting your website may be able to know what you have achieved so far and what you are going to do in future. You should be able to schedule client meetings on time. You should respond them on timely manner. You should respond to their emails, to their inbox. Building a team is the key thing in your agency business. Now everything is on the way and you are going to start accepting projects. Your team should be able to handle the projects on time. You can start with a single niche. If you are running an e-commerce agency, you can add Google ads, you can add Shopify ads, you can add digital marketing, you can add content writing services, you can add web development. We also do meetings with our clients on a weekly basis, so we brief them about their projects, what's going on, and what are our deadlines for their projects. I always take briefing from my teams, how well they are going, if they need any help. If that project is taking long, you have to brief your client that we are working on your project but it's taking more time, so we are going to extend the deadline. After doing all of these things, what we did is I have signed up on all social media accounts: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. Make sure you have presence on all social media platforms. You can get client from any social media platform at any time. The last and major step is to accept payments from clients. If you are accepting payments from international clients, how you will be able to accept payments from them. In my case, I use Pioneer to accept credit card payments from my clients. We email them invoice, we send them invoice link to pay. That link can be sent on WhatsApp, that link can be sent through email. Client can pay through credit cards, through debit cards. If client have Pioneer account, they can pay through their Pioneer account as well. If you have PayPal available in your country, please try to accept payments through PayPal. Client pay hassle free through PayPal. You can also set accounts with Stripe. Stripe is a payment gateway. You can accept credit card, debit card, and MasterCard payments through Stripe. Stripe has almost every debit and credit card facility available to accept payments from clients all over the world. And these payments can be deposited in your account in 2 to 3 days. So these are all the steps I have shared with you to run an e-commerce agency. I am working in Shopify and Amazon sector since 2014. So I just added another stream of income to my business, and which is an e-commerce agency. We have been doing well so far, and I have plans to expand that business to 30K a month in 2023. We provide services related to Amazon, Shopify, digital marketing, Google Ads, SEO, content writing, web designing. If you need any of these services, I will put the link in the description. You can check it out. I hope that video will help you to make your own e-commerce agency if you are going to launch in future. If you have any question, put a comment below. You can reach out to me on my email address and I will be happy to answer you. That's all for today, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.